We teach kids at a young age to call 911 in an emergency. Now all of us have a new number to learn.
That's right. Starting on Saturday, calling or texting 988 will help anyone in a mental health crisis. Advocates told our Hannah McDonald the new 3-digit number will immediately improve access to crisis services.
The battle is here.
Brian Sullivan, a suicide attempt survivor, says it's hard to think clearly in a crisis.
Depression and anxiety are huge liars.
The 10-digit National Suicide Prevention Lifeline was not around when Sullivan overdosed, yet he knows it made a big difference when it launched in 2005. He says the new 3-digit number will be a bigger game changer.
Switching it down to the 988, as they did for emergencies with 911, can be critical, especially right now with suicidal ideation up. Suicides are up, overdoses are up.
Starting Saturday, all state-supported call centers will start answering 988. That's the new, easy-to-remember number for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
We're prepared. We've been prepared. We've been doing this for many years.
In Tennessee, 6 call centers are set up to take calls to the Lifeline. 13 call centers can pick up the state's mental health line, 855-CRISIS-1. Last year, crisis centers took 158,000 calls. The new number, 988, officials hope people use instead of 911.
This number is dedicated for those that are struggling with a behavioral health, which is a mental illness or substance use crisis.
For Sullivan, there's no debate. The switch to 988, it will save lives.
It can be just invaluable. When you're in that moment, you're not thinking about the phone numbers in your head and going through, maybe a genius could maybe remember the full number, but I certainly couldn't.
In Nashville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
We asked Metro 911 how many mental health calls dispatchers took in 2021. In total, there were 73,216 incidents. Of course, many of these calls warranted a police or fire response. However, several thousand were from suicidal people that crisis call centers are best equipped to serve. Remember that number.
It's a great idea. It really is.